Pakita lang namin yung ginawa ni baby. Pakita mo. Ito ang kanyang manual cellphone. Nakita niyo yung mga app? Show mo sa kanila yung mga app. Ano yung mga app na yan?
There's Pizza for 20. That's the original app. It's why we even designed the phone.
Ano pa?
And then YouTube. And then these games. It says games, but you probably can't read it. And then this is the App Store. It's Netflix. This is Messenger. This is Roblox. I haven't labeled it. There's I haven't labeled. Spotify, Shopee. Legendary game. Setting, Shein.
Ang galing ng cellphone ni baby, gumawa siya ng sarili. Tapos yung likod nakalagay yung name niya and yung ano pa mga nakalagay sa likod. Name mo lang, no? Yan ang manual camera ni baby, ginawa lang niya. Ay sorry, manual cellphone. Galing, no? At 8 years old. Pakita natin.